Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at US Legal, which is an online service that has more than 85,000 legal forms at the national and state levels. This is for experts and non-experts, whether you need one form for a personal matter or you're a legal expert building your own library of state-specific or cause-specific forms, you can use US Legal. They're editable, you can have them e-signed, you can print them, save them to your account if you want to store everything in your US Legal account, and you can also create reusable templates. Once you log into your account, the best way to look for the forms you need is to go to the home page, so you just click this icon on the top left. You can hover over these drop downs, which show some of the more popular forms in the personal and business categories, or you can scroll down. This is just a little bit nicer of a layout and a little easier to browse. You can also look for state-specific forms. So instead of finding the form type you need and then picking your state, you can pick your state and then just see all of the different forms for that state. So whichever way you want to do it, you can do it with US Legal. When you find the form that you want, you'll be brought to a page that has information about the form, related forms, a how-to guide for filling them out, all of that. So this is the page for the bill of sale of a motorcycle in New York State. You can see a description, the other forms that you may want to consider getting, how to fill it out. So then you just click download next to the instant download box, open it up, and it will take a second. Okay. So here you go. You can see very simple with spaces for you to fill it in. And that's it. Sometimes the forms are a little less straightforward than that. So if you want to look for divorce forms, which is a more complex matter than selling a motorcycle, you would have a few more steps to take until you could get to the form that you needed. But ultimately, once you find your way to the right page, it's going to look similar to that page that I just showed you. They also have form packages. So let's say you wanted to start an LLC in New York. You could go to the appropriate page, and then you could download a package that would have all of the forms you need for that specific topic. So you see you'll get a zip file, and then all of the forms that you need will be in that. So that makes it much easier than having to find individual forms and try to figure out what you need for that one purpose. US Legal also has letter templates. So if you just search for letter templates on the top right, doesn't matter yet about the state, you'll see a list of different letter templates that they have. Let's say you wanted to have a college recommendation letter written. You would just choose it, download it just like you did the form, and then you could either fill it out or send it to somebody to have filled out. So you see the gray highlights is where you would replace the boxes with your information, and then in italics, there's recommendations for the type of information to include. So if you don't have an interest in learning how to write this type of form, if you're not a skilled writer or you're just short on time, US Legal has all the templates you might need. Something else that they do for certain legal situations is offer completion services. So if you need a living will, a last will, or a power of attorney, you can get the forms filled out for you. The completion services are a little bit hard to find on the US Legal website. The easiest thing to do is to start with support, then go to Help Center, and right here at the top right of the frequently asked questions section, you'll see what are completion services. And then you can open up the link for the one you're interested in. So basically what they do is send you a questionnaire, you fill out some information, they complete the forms for you, and then send them back. So you don't have to worry that you're doing something this seriously on your own and possibly making mistakes. US Legal also offers notary services. If you go back to the homepage and you scroll down, you will find the Notary section. You can have documents notarized around the clock every day of the year, whenever you need to. You add your document, and then you'll see the walkthrough on the homepage or on the Notary Services page. But you basically have to get on a short video call, and then you'll have the document notarized, and it's legal all across the US. Lastly, one of the other great things that US Legal offers is a pretty in-depth legal resources section. So if you hover over my account and click legal resources, you'll be brought to this section that has all sorts of things, whether you're just interested in this or you're digging deep into a topic because you're trying to fill out forms for it. They have a legal Q&A section where you can choose your topic and get questions and answers about it. Let's see, something that might have more. There you go. They have a helpful topic section where, again, you can browse by topic and then get kind of a rundown of what you might want to know. And then they have articles, which are kind of like the helpful topic section about different popular topics. So there you go. That's basically what US Legal offers.